So today we are actually making savoury Tang Yuan.
So this is a long forgotten recipe, or is it like you come out yourself?
Almost forgotten already. So
Okay.
I really wanted to bring that back, especially for Chinese New Year.
Nice.
Tuan Tuan Yuan Yuan.
Oh, I remember there got this ayam penyet downstairs the house.
Close already.
Huh?
My favourite.
At least you got eat 2 times. I also don't know got this thing in Yishun.
Ayam penyet quite shiok.
So bro, what ingredients we getting later?
We need to get some dried ingredients like baby lah, dried mushroom, and then some fresh vegetables.
Sound like can get from the supermarket. Why we come market?
Different. Different. The freshness is different. The quality is different. Sorry.
Okay. Wow, really look fresh, ah.
This one is actually my cousin's mother-in-law.
Then just say hi.
Busy lah.
Okay. What's that?
Oh, got corn dog, bro.
Corn dog. Wow. Oh, now wet market also sell corn dog, ah.
Little.
Hey bro, we need to focus, bro. We buying
11.8，
11块8。
算你11就好。
哇，这样好，谢谢 ，thank you。Only in wet market got discount. First time I come this wet market. Wow, you walk down one row, you buy everything,
You
yeah.
really can get everything, and you get the freshest version of everything in it. You see the color of the baby, right? Different from the supermarket one. You really cannot get this as fresh as the wet market.
Is it considered cheap compared to supermarket? 25 cents.
Definitely.
Can get discount also.
No lah, that one. That one bao.
You see this guy so happy, yeah, until like that. Okay lah, book TADA, go back office.
Hello. You book like that, not expensive meh?
Okay lah, now Meatmen we got CNY promo code for TADA. It's called Meatmen CNY. Find out down in the description below.
The aircon also there show.
Wow, I died outside. Dude.
Now that we are back at the office, the first thing we're gonna do for the recipe is to make the filling for the Tang Yuan. I'm just gonna mix this in, set it aside, let it rest while we make the Tang Yuan dough. This is our baby.
Pull in,
Ah,
then press,
yeah.
then turn.
Yeah.
How to know? Am I pressing too much or not?
Ideally don't break it. I show you.
Ah, okay.
We need to do it together.
How?
Yeah.
You fold, I push.
Yeah. Together. Just hold my hand.
Hold.
Together forever.
Help me!
团团圆圆圆圆团团。
圈圈圆圆圈圈。
Now, you need to separate the dough. Then you roll.
Okay. Roll.
Separate into 35-gram balls. 哎呀，不错
Whether
啊。
it's 30 Okay, then I go next. Oh, sure lah, 52.
Bro.
Then I make this one into a
Ball.
ball.
Then actually this is Tang Yuan already. But this is your sweet Tang Yuan. You can put inside soup.
Now we're all done with making the Tang Yuans. It's time to wrap all the liao inside.
Flatten.
Flatten.
喂。1 teaspoon. Pump.
1 teaspoon half.
Anything water? Then we roll.
Okay. Use water, is it? To pinch.
Now roll into ball.
Alright, my first one. It's okay.
Bruh.
Where are you going? Oh. Karin's own Tang Yuan.
I'm constantly moving it around so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And once it floats to the surface, means it's ready. Dickson's big ball. Damn! Now I'm gonna show you how I turn the veggies into the treasures. I'm using the peeler to round the edges off to make it look like medallions. We're gonna make the base sauce and then cook the vegetables for about 30 minutes. Now to finish the dish off, we're gonna add the rest of the 四宝.
Oh bro, it looks damn good. Damn.
团团圆圆.
大吉大利. Yo. Oh wow. You really got the mochi like tang yuan texture. But inside, you bite inside, not sweet one, not peanut, not red bean. It's like savoury pork. Wow, shocks, yeah?
Bro, so what's your favorite part of the day today?
Honestly, right, today I really enjoyed my time going to the wet market with you and then come back here and cook together. Like, that really made my day.
You know what's my favorite part of the day?
What's your favorite part?
The TADA ride. wait, you listen. Because we take the TADA ride, then we save a lot of time. Then we can come back and cook this and then cook the soup longer. That's why the soup's so sweet because of the vegetables and all that.
You're right, you're right.
It's a wrap!
Come and eat, come and eat!
团团圆圆